Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Let's face it, financial emergencies happen. Maybe your car needs an unexpected repair, or that grocery bill snuck up on you. Suddenly, you're staring down an empty bank account before payday. This is where cash advance apps like FloatMe come in, promising a quick fix. But here's the question. Can using FloatMe actually help you build credit, or is it just another temporary solution? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll crack open the world of cash advance apps, explore how FloatMe works, and most importantly, answer the burning question, is FloatMe credit building magic or something else entirely? The cash advance app craze, a lifeline or a loophole? Cash advance apps have become increasingly popular, offering a safety net for those short on cash. The idea is simple. You borrow a small sum of money, typically between $20 and $100, to hold you over until your next paycheck. It sounds like a lifesaver, right? Well, there are a few things to consider. First, unlike traditional loans, cash advance apps typically don't do a credit check. This can be appealing if you're worried about your credit score, but it also means there's no chance to build credit by making on-time payments. Think of it like a bridge. It gets you across the river, but it doesn't build the bridge itself. FloatMe in the spotlight. How does it work? Alright, now let's get specific and talk about FloatMe. FloatMe operates on a membership model. For a monthly fee of $3.99, you gain access to their cash advance service, also known as a float. Here's the breakdown. Float amounts. You can borrow between $10 and $100. Repayment. You typically repay the float on your next payday, although you do have some flexibility. Speed. Standard floats take a few days to arrive, but you can expedite them for a small additional fee. Now, the key question. Does using FloatMe on time actually affect your credit score? FloatMe and your credit score. The truth revealed. Here's the short answer. No, using FloatMe does not build credit. FloatMe doesn't report your activity to credit bureaus, which are the agencies that track your credit history. So, while you won't damage your credit score by using FloatMe responsibly, you also won't improve it. FloatMe, a smart choice, but not a credit builder. So, is FloatMe a bad option? Not necessarily. If you need a small, short-term loan and are confident you can repay it, FloatMe can be a more affordable alternative to payday loans with their notoriously high fees and interest rates. Plus, FloatMe offers some helpful features like budgeting tools and low balance alerts. However, if your goal is to build credit, FloatMe isn't the answer. Here are some better options to consider. Secured credit card. This is a credit card backed by a cash deposit. Use it responsibly and make on-time payments, and your credit score will benefit. Become an authorized user. If a friend or family member has a good credit history and is willing to add you as an authorized user on their credit card, your score can get a boost. The bottom line, FloatMe for a quick fix, but build credit elsewhere. FloatMe can be a useful tool in a pinch, but it's not a magic credit building bullet. If you're looking to improve your credit score, explore other options like secured credit cards or becoming an authorized user. Remember, building good credit takes time and responsible financial habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.